So today in this video we shall factorize 14x square plus 5xy minus 6y square. So here first expression 14x square, last expression minus 6y square. So both are same and 14 times 6 mean it is 84, and we divide it into two parts so that by adding it becomes 5. So 12 times 7 mean 84 and 12 minus 7 mean 5. So it divided as plus 12xy minus 7xy. So plus 12xy minus 7xy means it is 5xy. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So common here is 2 and x. So 2 times 7 mean 14, 1x already came, remaining x, plus 2 times 6 mean 12x already came, remaining y. Common in these both are minus and y. So remaining here 7xy already came, plus 6 1y came, 1y remaining. So now we again find out common in this first and last expression. So both contain 7x plus 6y. So 7x plus 6y is common, and remaining in the first 2x in the last minus y. So 7x plus 6y and 2x minus y are the required factors. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.